little side project. I ordered these little doodads off of Etsy. They are razor stands. So what you do is you take your straight razor, open it up a little bit, little bump part goes up in there, kind of like that, and then it holds your razor and it keeps the blade nice and at a perfect angle, so it looks like that. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to paint one totally black. I'm going to do one black and white, so we'll do like the bottom black and then this top part white, and then another one we're going to do black and red. We'll have a red top. So that's the project for today. I've got a few different brushes for the project, and I'm just gonna get started. Probably speed. Not perfect, but good enough. Might do another coat of the black on the spots that didn't finish. But they're done.